Hi, I am Sarwar from BTS. Today I am going to show you how to add WooCommerce button on your website by using BTS plugin. So let's go to my WordPress dashboard. As you can see, I have already installed two plugins, BitAssist and WooCommerce. So let's go to BitAssist plugin and give here a add widget name. Now click on create button. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel name WooCommerce. So click on WooCommerce. Here you can see that you can change the title name and you can also change image. You can upload image from here, and also you have to add fields here. There are two fields here, a number field and email field. It's a default. And you can also show order details in your website, shipping status, total items, total amount, billing name and shipping name. You can change button text from here. Also you can change from theme color and from text color. In our pro version you can get hide after office hours. You can on and off it, and the channel show on desktop and mobile version. I keep it both. So now click on save button. Now go to my WordPress dashboard page and refresh the page. Here you can see the Beat Assist logo bottom corner of the screen. Now click on it and click on WooCommerce. So I have already created a order in my WooCommerce site. So give here a order ID and the billing email and click on submit button. Here you can see my order ID is 48 and it's shipping status completed, and total items I order one items and the amount shown here and the billing name which I gave. So in this way you can add your WooCommerce button on your website. So thanks for watching this video.